Motorola calls it the best design Android phone. Some call it the fashionable, and others call it the accessible beauty. With Motorola's introduction of the Edge 30 Ultra and Edge 30 Fusion, comes the newest kid on the block, the Edge 30 Neo. Let's take a look at the Motorola Edge 30 Neo quick unboxing and review. Best Buy. Motorola's Edge 30 Neo comes in as a brand new addition to the Motorola Edge family. The Motorola Edge 30 Neo places an emphasis on design, being small and compact, and its fashionable aesthetics, which everyone has an eye out for. Its previous models, the Edge 30 Ultra and Edge 30 Fusion, are high-end and mid-range flagships, respectively. However, the Edge 30 Neo for the price of €369.99 is the cheapest in the Edge family, and it also offers a commendable level of performance in normal use, which we will delve deep into coming up later on in the video. Design and display. During unboxing, the Motorola Edge 30 Neo comes in an eco-friendly packaged in a transparent hard plastic case that seems to be of fair high quality, and in the box you find the Motorola Edge 30 Neo phone, a 68W fast charger unlike Samsung phones whose charger you would have to purchase separately, and a detachable USB-C to USB-C adapter, a transparent silicone cover, a SEM extraction tool, and a document containing the user manual, warranty, and safety information is also included in the box along with the smartphone. And now onto the design. The Motorola Edge 30 Neo is a relatively small smartphone, with its dimensions measuring 152.9 millimeters, 6.02 inches, 71.2 millimeters, 2.80 inches, and 7.8 millimeters, 0.31 inches, making it small and compact to basically fit in any pocket or bag.
How cute!
It doesn't weigh much as well, only 155 grams, 5.47 ounces, which makes it even more simple for you to handle as it is both small and lightweight. When it comes to color options, Motorola has partnered with Pantone and has started working together on design and color schemes, and the Edge 30 Neo features some of the new color options. With that being said, the colors available for the Edge 30 Neo are Very Peri, Black Onyx, Ice Palace, and Aqua Foam, which are pretty beautiful and fashionable colors that could appeal to both youthful and older audiences as well. The Edge 30 Neo begins with the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It comes with a 6.28 POLED display with a 2400 1080 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen is adaptable and adequate for a great viewing experience, such as scrolling through your Twitter or Instagram feed or watching YouTube videos. Wherever you are watching us from, make sure to subscribe to our channel and get unlimited related content like this.
We only want what's best for you.
Performance. The Motorola Edge 30 Neo comes with the Snapdragon 695 from Qualcomm, the 6 SoC equipped with an Adreno 619 graphics processor, and an effective 2.20 GHz Cryo 660 Gold cores and 6 1.70 GHz Cryo 660 Silver cores octa-core processors.
Here you get a Snapdragon 695 5G, which is far from flagship grade, and actually most competitors, even at this price point, are able to earn higher benchmark scores.
Edge 30 Neo features 6/8 GB of RAM and 128/256 GB of internal storage, which is relatively enough memory for your daily activities and tasks. Enough memory is great, but does the phone's compact nature mean a smaller battery? Well, let's find out. In terms of software, the Edge 30 Neo features the latest Android 12 OS without any custom UI. However, the downside here is that users will only get 2 years of software updates and 3 years of security patches, and the phone is only IP52 splash resistant certified, which as compared to other high-end flagships have IP67 or IP68 rating, such as the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Motorola Edge 30 Neo supports dual-band 2.4 and 5 GHz, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, and NFC in terms of connectivity, and is also dual SIM compatible, accepting 2 nano SIM cards. Some sensor features available are the usual accelerometer, proximity sensor, and compass, and along with that is an optical fingerprint sensor hidden beneath the display. Camera. The Edge 30 Neo comes with a selfie camera and 2 cameras on the back. Featuring a 64MP main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, and pixel binning, which helps increases light sensitivity by merging many pixels into one, giving off decent images when photographing objects or a well-lit environment. This way there is enough detail. The main camera system has 2 sides, one of which holds the main 64MP camera and the other of which holds the ultra-wide/macro camera and the LED flash, which you can set to light up whenever you get a call, a notification, a message, or when an alarm goes off. Both the main camera and the front camera can capture videos in 1080p resolution at 30 or 60 frames per second. Additionally, the primary camera can also record 720 slow motion recordings at 120 frames per second. Battery. The Motorola Edge 30 Neo packs a 4020 mAh non-removable battery, which compared to smartphones packing 5000 mAh batteries will produce a little less performance than the latter, but then again it accounts for the Edge 30 Neo's lightweight and compact nature. The Motorola Edge 30 Neo supports 68 watts of fast wireless charging, which is achievable with the included 68-dot charger. Motorola claims that a smartphone has about 12 hours of typical use, which may be obtained in just 10 minutes. Putting the downsides aside, the Motorola Edge 30 Neo is a decent phone, but hey, what smart gadget is perfect? For a side-by-side comparison, check out this video on the Edge 30 Neo vs the S22 Ultra.